Don't let anybody tell you that you can't get into a top business school. A lot of people are worried about their GPA or their GMAT or the quality of their work experience. Maybe they didn't work at McKinsey or a great firm in consulting. It doesn't matter. Don't let anybody rent space in your head. You can get in. Okay, so if you think about it, if the top business schools allow people to get in and have a GPA of 3.5 and let's just say 700 on the GMAT, that doesn't mean everybody got 3.5 and 700. That means some people got 3.0 GPA and 730, or a 3.6 GPA and 620, etc. Or maybe they were below average in both the GMAT and GPA, but they had great work experience and an exceptionally unique and amazing background. So just have an incredibly positive attitude. Don't think you can't get in anywhere, because you can. I promise you can. Just keep at it. Stick with my methodology. And I promise you, if you keep trying, you will get in somewhere. And if you don't get in to the top 2 or 3 schools of on your list, send me a message. Let me help you. I'll give you some very humble feedback on what might work for you.